Now what I do is I'm gonna cut the ends. So the first one is fine. The bottom is closed. But the second one, what I do is I cut it, and then I take the side, the outside, and just, you can see I'm squeezing it, closing it, and putting the cinnamon bun place, the top that is opened, I'm putting it up. And again, if you won't do that, then a lot of the inside of the filling is gonna run out, and we don't want that. So we continue to cut and close the bottom. As you can see, we can cut the whole thing. The cinnamon buns should be placed spaced out, not like the cinnamon fingers, because after we finished, everything finished, now we're gonna let it rise again for at least 40 minutes. We're gonna cover it with a plastic bag or any plastic thing that you have in the house. The serum, we're gonna cover it with plastic and let it rise for at least 40 minutes till it doubles its size in a warm place before we bake it.